Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to go over very quickly a problem I see a lot of people have. They'll get some artwork off the internet or they'll purchase some artwork off of Etsy, and you import the SVG and it won't work. You can't extrude it. It's not the right color on the screen that indicates it's a fully formed piece. So I want to show you a very quick and dirty fix on how to fix this. Here I have this monogram letter K. Now I have intentionally deleted an anchor point from this letter K. You can't see it really, but it's gone. And what that's going to do is it's going to open up the loop on the top portion of the K, and it's no longer going to work when I import it into Fusion 360. So let's see what that looks like. I'll go over here to Fusion 360, and I'm going to insert my SVG, so insert SVG from my computer, and I've got this K broken. I'll go ahead and put this in here, and when I finish the sketch, you'll see that the bottom half of the K looks just fine. This is what we want. We want a blue component here, or a blue object, and we want that to have a green border. But up here you see that it's making the inside portions of this K actually into the objects, and the top portion is not. Now you can actually see here where I deleted one of those anchor points to break that line, but a lot of times you can't see this in your artwork because one point is overlapping another point, but they aren't connected. So they look connected, but they're not. So you could go through here manually and try and fix this, but I'm going to show you how to fix this the quick and dirty. I'm back in Illustrator and I've got my K. This is the broken K here. And very quickly, I'm working on a pretty big artboard here, and you want to do that when you're working with any vector files. You want to work on a big artboard anyway. All I'm going to do is I'm going to select the entire thing. I'm going to go up to Object and then rasterize it. This is going to turn my my vector into a bitmap or a raster image. Now I'm going to turn it back into a vector with image trace, and you can go here, this button here, image trace, or you can go to Window, image trace, and I'm just going to click this, and over here in my default, I'm just going to select black and white logo, and we're going to hit my previous selected, so it's already traced it. Now I'm going to hit this expand button here at the top. That will split the foreground and the background into different components. And then using my direct selection tool, I'll select one area of the white. I'll come up here to select similar, and I'll just delete the white. Now if I come in here and I file, save, and I'm saving this again just as that K broken 4, we'll come into Fusion 360, we'll insert SVG, this K broken 4, and finish the sketch. And now we have exactly what we want. And I can take this and click on the face, hit E for extrude. I'll just give that a 1.6 millimeter. And you see that now we have a nice extrusion on that when we couldn't have done that before. That is the quick and dirty way to fix a broken SVG in Fusion 360.